This video is a review of the two mini multi-tools that I currently have on my website. I'm always looking for fun little gadgets, and this was one of those purchases. It's Berkley brand. Yeah. There we go. They make a lot of fishing stuff, and that's what this was advertised for, as a fishing tool. It's all stainless steel, very small. It's 2.5 inches closed. It's a 1/2 inch thick. Kind of a fun little tool. It is made in China. It's not super quality, but it's pretty good. There we go. Pliers and wire cutters. Yeah. Okay, let's start with knife blade, saw, it's got I don't know if you can see that. I guess not. A double row of teeth. Would be a good saw. I don't know how long it will stay sharp. Screwdriver blade. And this is an awl. It's just a sharp point. And on the other side, it's a file. That's all the tools on that side. On this side, we have a little pair of scissors. Let's try this. Yeah, they were good. And I guess it's supposed to be a jeweler screwdriver, but it's round on top. Yeah. Anyway, and a bottle opener and a small Phillips screwdriver. Okay. And on the back, we have inch and centimeter measurements for measuring a very small fish. Anyway, I'm not promising you this will be the most awesome multi-tool you ever own. It is what it is. It's a little made in China, stainless steel multi-tool, $7. Includes shipping to any U.S. address. I will ship it internationally for an extra $3, so $10 U.S. And you can own this fun little multi-tool. Alright, that's the Berkley. This is the Ridge Runner. It comes in a little belt pouch. Yeah. I don't know if I would use it, but what the heck. It's included. And this is much better quality. It's got micarta handle inserts. It's also quite a bit bigger. It's 2 5/8 inches closed compared to this one, which is 2 1/2, which isn't that much difference. Anyway, it's also a lot wider. It's 3/4 of an inch thick. This one is. So yeah, that wouldn't be comfortable in your pocket. So they give you this little sheath. I would probably throw it in my bailout bag if I were you. Okay, there's the pliers and wire cutters. They match up very well. The spring is down there. You can see it. What else do we have? We have a knife blade, a can opener, a small screwdriver, scissors. Try the cutting test with the scissors again. They work fine. On this side, we have a larger flat screwdriver, small Phillips, smaller flat screwdriver with a bottle opener, and a nail cleaner with nail file, and a little different. I don't know why the grooves are on the back. It's not really a file on that side. It's a file on this side. And that's it. This is a nice, very good quality, I would say. This is on my website right now for $10. I will ship it internationally for an extra $5 because it is heavy. It's about 4 ounces. Yeah, very well made. If you can't tell, I like this one better than this one. Anyway, those are the 2 mini multi-tools currently on my website. Let me know if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Peace.